Hey babes, today I'm going to show you guys how I prep my hair for faux locks, starting with dirty, filthy hair that I just took out of a month-long faux lock install, and now I have this lovely moisturized and clean hair. It's smelling so good, and it's already detangled and sectioned for when I do my next faux lock style. So if you want to see how I got from point A to point B, then keep watching.
You want a supermodel pose like my real friend Winnie?
Hey babes, it's Winnie Jean, and I just took some locks out. If you haven't seen my latest lock takedown video, then you should check that video out here because it's definitely part one to this video. So I want to show you guys my routine to get my hair nice and clean and moisturized and ready to go for my next protective style, which will be coming up shortly after this video. So if you're not yet, make sure you're subscribed and turn on your post notifications because
this lock series is about to be lit.
So first step is I like to use a Moisturizing Co-Wash. This one is the Care one, and it has Jamaican black castor oil and I believe coconut oil. Yes. I'm going to lather my hair with this, and then I'm going to comb it out again in the shower just to make sure I have all of the shed hair out, because my worst fear is shampooing my hair with shed hair in it. It gets so matted, and I have very thick hair. Just no. It's just a no for me, dog. It's a no for me, dog. Then I'm going to shampoo my hair with this Live Clean Quenching Curls shampoo. It has 0 sulfates. It's just a really clean shampoo, and it smells really good. Then to condition my hair in the shower, this is the Quenching Curls conditioner from that same brand, the Live Clean, the Superfruit. Smells so good. And then on top of that, I'm going to pack on some of this As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican black castor oil moisturizing mask. And then I'm also going to put on some of this, the Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore mask. All of these products are super nourishing, all of that stuff. But we'll get into that after I get in the shower. Okay, so I finished my shower routine. I threw a little face mask on. This is from Mary Kay. It's a deep cleansing charcoal mask. So while I have this sitting, I'm gonna get my hair ready. But I started earlier in the day. This process usually takes me a while. But while I have my hair deep conditioning, I like to be able to do like little errands and stuff. So I can run to the post office, I can do whatever. So this is how I'm able to do that. I already washed and conditioned my hair in the shower using those Live Clean products as well as the Care Co-Wash. So now I'm gonna put in my masks, my conditioning masks, and I'm just taking a dollop of that Shea Moisture mask and I'm concentrating it on my ends, working it throughout all of my hair. And then with the As I Am one, it's a little bit looser. I'm gonna put this one on top. And it'll also kind of carry that Shea Moisture one through. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other section and I'll be right back. So I'm just kind of smoothing everything back into a ponytail. So yeah, so I'm just twisting my hair into a bun because I'm going to put a turban on. For the first step, I'm going to go ahead and pop on this Walmart bag. Now this is where all the steam is gonna be, right? Now I got this little turban microfiber towel from the Dollar Tree. But you can use whatever turban towel you have, or you can make your own turban, I don't know. But this thing saves my life. This is gonna keep everything nice and warm, so I don't have to worry about getting sick and stuff while I'm outside. So I'm just popping this on. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm about to rinse my face mask off and get dressed, but once I'm done getting dressed, I'll show you how I tie my turban on top of this to actually look kind of cute in public. Yes, girl, but I can barely talk because this face mask is on. I'll be right back. Okay, so I tied my little turban up so everything is under here and I'm still deep conditioning. I'm about to run to Walmart, Dollar Tree, and a beauty supply. And then I will be back home to show you guys what I do after I rinse my conditioner out. And we'll be back. So I'm gonna just break it in half It doesn't have to be perfect at all, but I'm going to start to apply my like leave-ins and oils and stuff now. Okay, so I'm using my keratin and green tea reconstructorizer. This is by Apogee, and I have literally been using this since middle school. It just helps to give my hair some protein, and I also like it to kind of re-dampen my hair if I let my hair get a little too dry. So now I'm going to use this Aunt Jackie's flaxseed and manoi oil. I don't always use this one. I just like to use one mixed oil, and I coat the entire section with that oil. The key to prepping your hair for faux locks is to make sure that your hair is really, really moisturized. Even if you're gonna go to a stylist, because a lot of stylists don't add product to your hair prior to twisting it, so you really wanna take the time to moisturize it at home. It's really, really important. Hey loves, it's Winnie Jean, and I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know that if you're looking at this tutorial like, don't worry, because I will be touring for the next couple of months, and I'm going to cities like Los Angeles, New York, Baltimore, Miami, and of course Chicago, as well as a few other cities. So if you're interested in getting your hair done by me, head over to my website. The link is down below in the description bar. It's winniejean.com, and schedule your appointment. And make sure that you're following me on Instagram so you can stay up to date with my upcoming travel dates, because I drop everything there first. See you guys soon. Mwah. So I just went in with this Aloe and Shine dress. This is by Essential Nutrients. If you are new to my channel, then I really, really love this brand. It's called Essential Nutrients. It is owned by a Black woman. I can put the link down below in the description bar, but when I tell you, it smells so good. It smells so, so good. So this is their Shimmer Oil. This is by Essential Nutrients as well. And I'm gonna just apply a little bit of this oil. Then I'm gonna just comb out the section. And I like to just keep combing through the section until I can bring my brush all the way through. When I can bring my brush all the way through like this, then that's how I know I can move on to the next section. And I just split the section into 3 strands, and I braid it. That way it can air dry without getting tangled. So this is how I like to moisturize my hair when I'm about to do another set of locks. It's also how I like to moisturize my hair when I take a fresh set of locks down. Now I braid it down 90% of the way, and when I get to the ends, I like to put a little bit more oil and I just twist them. And this gives my braid a little curl at the end, just in case I end up wearing it as a braid out. Okay babes, so this is the final, I guess not look, this ain't a look. This is the finished product of my faux lock prep. My hair is looking nice and juicy. I ended up doing 6 braids, 3 on either side. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet, make sure that you're subscribed. I love you guys so, so much. And make sure you have on your post notifications, because I have some really cool videos coming out next about faux locks if you're interested in this subject. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye babes.